What's your favorite worship song?
Holy Forever.
Can you sing it for us?
Ano? Hindi ako marunong kumanta. Your name is the highest. Your name is the greatest. Your name stands above them all, and the angels cry.
What's your favorite worship song?
Ano, wait lang, di pa ako What a beautiful name.
Can you sing it for us?
What a beautiful name it is. That's good.
What's your favorite worship song?
Ano po? Sa iyong yakap.
Can you sing it for us?
Sa iyong yakap, ako'y di nabibitaw. Sa iyong tawag, ang laman ng puso ko, ikaw.
What's your favorite worship song?
O, walang imposible.
Pwede pong pakikanta.
Walang imposible sa ating Diyos.
What's your favorite worship song?
Sambahin Ka by Praise Overflow.
Can you sing it for us?
Sambahin ka, pag-ibig mong wagas.
What's your favorite song?
Take All of Me by Hillsong.
Can you sing it for us?
Yun lang. I love you, all of my hope is in you. Jesus Christ, take my life, take all of me.
What's your favorite worship song?
Worthy is your name.
Can you sing it for us?
Worthy is your name, Jesus. Worthy is your name.
What's your favorite worship song?
Lilim.
Lilim, can you sing it for us?
Kailangan ba? Mananatili sa iyong lilim at sasambahin ka sa dakong
Jordan, what's your favorite worship song?
One way.
One way, can you sing it for us?
You are the way, the truth, and the life for me, for faith. Then, what?
What's your favorite worship song?
Mananatili.
Can you sing it for us?
Mananatili sa iyong lilim. Sasambahin ka